it's Rob here, and following on from its first run, as you can possibly tell, it's a bit dirty. I thought we'd come out and give it a speed test. So I've got Mark on the camera.
Hi guys.
And, oops, talking over you there, dude. Let's give it a try. We've got the speed meter on. So we're in a car park, the light's going, we've got a couple of cars to test for Mark as well, so let's get cracking.
Yeah, let's do it, Rob. Hopefully you can see that set to zero. Not that you'd think we'd be cheating. I don't think they'll think we'll cheat, would they, Rob?
No, I don't think so.
It's not our nature, is it?
No.
Anyway, I'm not expecting that much of you, Rob.
No, it's a stop motor, so let's give it a try. In 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa.
Oh, it's a bit slippy down there, mate. Whoa, too damp and slippery. Oh, missed that on the run through. Oh no! What was that?
Some sort of metal bar. Just the tips on the steering and it's all over the place, mate.
You got it flat out yet?
Yeah. That's one I'm going to turn after this one.
Let's have a look. We have, oh, it's about the same as my XV-01 rally version, Rob, at 16 miles an hour.
Wow.
So there we have it. Speed Demon.
Speed Demon is too right, mate.
So there we have it, folks. A completely stock Asterion gets 16 miles an hour, about 25 kph, using the 7.2 volt NiHM batteries. And I've just got time to thank Mark for all his help in videoing these speed runs that I keep doing, and to wish you all the best, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers, bye.